Okay, very complex question, but an important one. And mental illness itself is a problematic concept. For some people, they use it to mean any psychiatric diagnosis. So if you have depression or anxiety or PTSD or an eating disorder, that could fall within the umbrella term of mental illness. But often it's used in a much more restrictive way to refer to something like schizophrenia, what's called like a major mental illness, a psychotic disorder, and so on. Regardless of those definitions, overall, people with a psychiatric condition, whether it's schizophrenia, depression, anxiety, are no more likely to commit, violent act like a school shooting than other people. So there's no clear connection there. So if we took all people with any kind of diagnosis or mental health issue, put it in a pie chart, there'd be a tiny little sliver of those who commit acts of violence. On the other hand, if we look at the population of school shooters or mass attackers, that pie chart would have a more substantial segment of people with mental health issues. So it's complicated. And depending, again, how you define mental health issue makes a big difference. Most are not psychotic, but if you include, depression, having suicidal thoughts, then that percentage gets bigger. If you include personality disorders, like someone who has a psychopathic personality, antisocial tendencies, very narcissistic, that piece of the pie would get bigger. So a lot really depends on what you mean by mental illness or mental health issues.